All right, we're looking at the fastest updates coming in from the state of Maharashtra. India Today's battery of reporters bringing us the most accurate details. Here are a couple of developments that we're seeing happening today. Shinde Sena coming together in a key meeting at 12 p.m., a key huddle where they will be deciding the future course of action. And then you also have the BJP-SHINDE power sharing formula that India Today has accessed, which we are going to put out for you in just moments from now. And of course, the question and the spotlight now on the Maharashtra governor, Bhagat Singh Koshyari, on whether he will use his powers to call for a floor test. In fact, also at this point, the governor lenses on Uddhav Thackeray's file. What we believe, the allegations are that Uddhav Thackeray has hastily cleared several files over the last 3 days. Governor now seeks a report on what were those files that were cleared on the 22nd, 23rd and 24th. More on that right after I get some understanding from Maushami, who joins us from Mumbai, on the reaction to Uddhav Thackeray, reaction to that notice that Uddhav Thackeray has received. In fact, Maushami, Uddhav Thackeray has been issued a notice by the Supreme Court itself that they've got to stop proceedings against the rebel MLAs, the disqualification proceedings, and also question on why no security has been given to them. And raised also questions about the law and order situation in the state of Maharashtra at this point. Has there been any response coming in from the Uddhav Thackeray camp so far?
See, clearly there has been a step taken back by the Uddhav Sena ever since the rhetoric that poured in 2 days back. If you see that yesterday there was a softer version of the direct threat that was being issued to the rebel camp, and remember that it was day before yesterday that Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut had said that their souls are dead and only the corpses will come back, and that had created a lot of rage as far as the rebel camp is concerned, and that was the ground that was cited. Sanjay Raut's comment was cited in the Supreme Court when the rebel MLAs asked for protection and said that their life and the families' lives were being impacted and threatened. They were being intimidated. So clearly this comes as a rap on the knuckles of the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi government headed by Uddhav Thackeray. Clearly, you know, despite the fact that the Shiv Sena is saying, even Priyanka Chaturvedi said yesterday to me that Mumbai is completely safe and they can return back to their houses. But clearly the Supreme Court doesn't think so, and that's the reason that you see that a notice has been issued by the Supreme Court. Clearly the government will have to elaborate and specify what kind of protection they have provided to the rebel families and the rebel leaders.
Allegations that Uddhav Thackeray may have cleared out a couple of files in a hasty manner. In full rush over the last 3 days, it seems like the cabinet has been working. The governor has sought a report on what these files were. So, how does that? What statement is that really sending out?
See, clearly there has been a haste. We are told that many officers have not joined the office and are absent from office ever since this entire turbulence started, and more MLAs you know, shifted base from Mumbai to Guwahati. So clearly, you know, the officers are considered as weather masters, the political weather masters, perhaps reading the forecast, the political forecast. They have absenteed themselves from work, and that's one reason that, you know, we've seen that Uddhav Thackeray has allotted charges to various ministers who are in his camp, divesting